Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today's tutorial is gonna be a tutorial about the Canva application, and I would like to show you how to design post in Canva. So the first thing you have to do is just open your Canva application, and after you open it, you just need to go into this plus button to create a new project. So after you click it, you just need to choose the ratio for your canvas to edit. For example, you want to edit for Instagram post, so you just need to type Instagram here. And then you just need to choose the ratio that you want. So for example, if you want to have like Instagram portrait, just need to go click it, and there will be pop up here several templates that you can choose for the editing. By using the template, it will be make you easier to create a post. So you just need to click the template that you want to have, and after that you can just replace the pictures on this template with the pictures of you. You just need to go choose it, and whenever you're done, if you want to make it black and white, you just need to go into the filters, go into the monochrome side, and you just need to choose which monochrome type that you want to apply into your picture. For example, this part, and after that you just need to go back, and here you go. You just need to go click this part to save the editing. You can also adjust in the file type here. You can choose PNG, it's suggested by the Canva application, and after that you just need to go click download. And that's the way how to create posts or how to design posts in Canva application. If you find, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.